Good morning, girls. Today we are reading on page 75, The Birth of Political Parties. So open up your book at page 75. Underline, use your pencil. At the beginning of the 18th century, the Hanover dynasty succeeded that of the Stuarts. Who came to the throne when William III died in 1702? Queen Anne succeeded her brother-in-law, William III, and her sister Mary. During her reign, Scotland became officially united with England, and with the Act of Union of 1707. Who was the first Prime Minister? The Whigs and the Tories were the first political parties in Britain, and the first Prime Minister was the Whig Sir Robert Walpole, who was in power for over 20 years. How did Walpole improve the finances of the nation? He managed to keep England out of foreign conflict so that could flourish and taxes could be kept down. What was Walpole accused of? They were accused of corruption and bribery during election. Bribery, it means when you get your votes illegally, okay? When elections are not quite clear. New question. What happened when William Pitt became Prime Minister? In 1735, the Whig William Pitt entered the Parliament as an opponent to Walpole and became Prime Minister in 1766. He started a mercantilistic policy to make England a strong and economically competitive country. So, it's not a lot you have to underline, but it's important to pay attention to the fact of the birth of these two important political parties that were Whigs and Tories. They represented the most important political parties in England. Tories were conservatives, whereas Whigs were liberals. Okay, so later on they changed their names, but the substance didn't change. Okay, so Tories became conservatives and Whigs liberals. I hope I was clear. If there are any doubt, you can use the board or on WeSchool, or you can use the chat on the mobile. Have a nice day.